Highly recognized in the field of wood transformation, Champion Portable Sawmill offers you a complete range of high-quality equipment to answer your every need, be they domestic, semi-professional, professional, or industrial. Champion Portable Sawmill has the equipment you require. The product of numerous years of research and development, our portable sawmills can be moved easily to the desired location, whatever the means of transportation. With their lightweight and user-friendly operation, they can be utilized by one person. They can be installed and adjusted easily, always offering an optimal usage, even on rough terrain. Thanks to their sturdy build, where no detail was overlooked, our sawmills allow you to saw for commercial or personal projects in a professional and most efficient manner. All our models can saw logs from 1 to 17 feet long and up to 32 inches in diameter. Our sawmills come with a wide range of standard and optional equipment, so you can rapidly obtain precise and straight cuts up to 1/32 of an inch. The thickness of cut is quickly obtained, and with accuracy, thanks to a hoisting system and a ruler. The handling, the turnover of the logs is made easy thanks to the various equipment of Champion Portable Sawmill. Everything you need to help you increase your productivity as well as your satisfaction. Several brands and strengths of gasoline or electric engines are available to ensure that you have the model and the power to answer your every need. Our portable sawmills can be easily operated thanks to their centralized controls to ensure you a comfortable working position, thus reducing your effort while sawing. The continuous lubrication system of the blade produces smooth and perfect cuts every time. Furthermore, they are easy to upkeep and inexpensive to operate. To increase your productivity even more, Champion Portable Sawmill has conceived a high-performance edger that gives you perfect boards in record time. Simple, effective, and fast, it allows you to saw boards from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches thick and from 2 to 14 inches wide. Its automatic forward device facilitates your work, while its guides offer a perfect adjustment to the wood's dimension. Our edger is also equipped with manual adjustment devices for the width and an automatic one for the thickness of the wood, ensuring great precision and a flawless finished product. For industrial needs, Champion Portable Sawmill offers a resaw activated by an electric engine of 10 or 15 horsepower. It's equipped with a conveyor belt for a quick and continuous supply and can saw up to 100 feet a minute. Champion Portable Sawmill completes its range with a sharpening kit that will help you get the maximum output from your blades. The set includes a very precise grinder to keep your blade sharp and efficient, as well as a high-precision tooth setter to adjust on your blade the angle of the teeth to 1/1000th of an inch. Champion Portable Sawmill develops and builds all its equipment with a great concern for detail and precision, while upholding the strictest standards of quality and reliability in the industry. A 2-year warranty is offered on all our products. Contact Champion Portable Sawmill now for all your needs. With Champion Portable Sawmill, you can count on a team of experts eager to help and able to answer all your questions, as well as a complete line of accessories.